How to fix queued or not sending email on Gmail. So if you want to fix the queued or not sending email on your Gmails, then what you need to do is first open up your Gmail application. Once you open up your Gmail, now if you go with the compose option, which is on the bottom right, and for example, I'll be just sending something. And once you send, it might say one send in outbox or one. And once you send, on the top of your screen, you might get a notification of one unsent. So what you need to do is simply go with the upper left, which has that 3 bar icon, and then you can simply go with the send option. Under send here, you might have the queued email, which has not been sent. So what you need to do is go with the upper left again, which has that 3 bar icon, scroll down, tap on settings, and then choose the Google account in which you are facing the problem, and scroll down, and here you will have an option of sync. So here under data usage, you will have sync Gmail option. So if you've not turned on this option, then you just need to simply go and turn on the sync Gmail option. Once you turn on that option, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then if you've turned on, then you just need to simply turn off the sync Gmail, tap on turn off, tap on OK, and then remove it from your background, and you need to restart your device. Once you've restarted, you need to again go with your Gmail application and go with the upper left, which has that 3 bar icon, go with settings, and then go with the account in which you're facing the problem. Scroll all the way down and turn on. Once you've done that, now your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the queued or not sending email on Gmail problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.